Check it out, round 2. It's the next day, and we got Tony back here too. Tony,
What's up?
say what's up to the, hold on, say that again. That way I'm zoomed in.
What up?
It is blue hour right now, and you saw the drive here. It is super, super pretty. So let's go see what this looks like over this little hill here. Guys, you gotta check this out. This view is pretty insane. The autofocus is even more insane. What is going on here? And then, the mountains back there, the golden sky. Everything is just gorgeous. No wind, no wind. How about that? All right, so I had to switch to my 60 Mark II to do my vlogs because this M50 is just super unreliable now. Before it like missed like one video out of 20, now it's missing every other video. So I'm just gonna use this 60 Mark II for a while for some vlogs until I get my M50 sent in and returned to me. But look at this alpenglow. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is my favorite one over here, though. Pyramid. I almost feel like throwing my M50 right in the snow here and just leaving it forever. But I'm gonna send it in. It's so frustrating. It's such a light camera. I used to vlog with this Mark II, but it gets so heavy, so it gets kind of so bulky and whatnot to record anything. So anyway, pretty soon we'll be heading towards a cool waterfall. Alright, we are walking through the woods and I'm already out of breath. So I'm switched to my EOS R now because I'm using this Peak Design clip here for hiking. That way it takes some weight off my back. And so far it feels pretty good, although I did take literally everything out of my camera bag itself. So I'm also trying to watch where I'm going here. But yeah, pretty day. The river is flowing for this waterfall, so we're hoping that the waterfall isn't frozen. Either way, it looks pretty cool, but so I forgot my tripod. And then I was gonna go back down to the car, and Shane's like, nah, you could just use mine. And I have my little tiny Joby tripod. But it's a good thing I should have went back because it's a good thing someone else came here and they had a dog. But they're like, hey, you left your car door open, but we shut it for you, because that would have sucked. Anyway, we are going through some steeper parts. Let me show you what it looks like right now. You can see them go down to sense of scale. That's pretty crazy. So before I go down, I gotta put this back on the clip so I can use both my hands here. So it's funny, me and Shane tried finding this a couple months ago, and it was like towards fall was just beginning, and we walked like another like mile down to this river crossing, and we thought we had to just walk along that river. Nope, Tony's like, this is where you turn, and it's like 15 minutes into this hike. Not even.
There's like little trees,
So
and this
that's
is
pretty cool. Tony did it. He led us here. That's pretty cool.
doing yoga.
This is the hidden waterfall in Kodiak. It was a little hike to get to, as you can see, but it was pretty. And Tony's freaking me out. He's like climbing up this hill, but this water is flowing heavy. I got some photos that you can see like right now that I'll show it to you. But man, is this water flowing heavy or what? Ah! All right. Let me figure out what I could do here. I am obsessed with this right now. It's probably super loud, but man, it is peaceful. It is so beautiful. Look how amazing that is. That's amazing. That's beautiful. That's so beautiful. All right. Whew. That was fun. It really wasn't that far of a hike. I am out of breath though. But that is the hidden waterfall on the hike to Shelly Lake. So I figured I'd take a second to talk in this flat land because there's some pretty steep parts coming up here. But yeah, had a good time and saw some cool frozen stuff on the way here. Really pretty sunrise this morning. Overall, great day. 10 out of 10. Except for my out of breathness. I mean, I've been doing good losing weight, but I still gotta lose another 30 pounds minimum by the summertime. But I feel okay today. That's all that matters, right? All right, I'll see you back in the vehicle. That was like literally 2 minutes later, we're back to the truck. So we are getting ready to go. Shane's just putting stuff away, then I'll put my stuff away. What a great day. It's crazy because I was almost tempted to bring Sniper and just take my own vehicle, but I was like, no, because I don't know, you know, what's going to happen with this hike and whatnot. And Sniper could drive us nuts because we were sitting at that spot on the mountains for a couple minutes, and he would have went nuts running around the airport. But it's a good thing we didn't, because as soon as we got here, this truck shows up with a German Shepherd in the back, like 2 seconds after we got here, and which turned out to be good because they're the ones that shut the door for us. But all right, I'm gonna put the stuff away. All right, Tony.
All right, see you guys.
See you, man.
Hey man, thanks again.
Later.
Yeah. All right, we just dropped Tony off. I'm about to go home and then call this a vlog. This vlog is going to be a pain to edit because I have 4 different cameras that I have to go through, so it's going to be a big pain to go through and organize everything. But it'll be fun.